So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at the steps that you need to take for resetting the UPI pin for any of the banks that you may have linked or added in Paytm. Now you may know that anytime you use a UPI based application, much like Paytm or otherwise, you are using basically a UPI bank account. And therefore, anytime you make a transaction, you need the UPI pin. Now, it may so happen that you may have forgotten the UPI pin and therefore now you need to reset it. In case you have forgotten UPI pin and you want to reset it, it's very easily possible using the Paytm application. Let's today look at the steps that you need to take for that to happen. So first things first, we need to kind of install Paytm app, create account, link bank accounts, and then like in case we have forgotten the UPI pin for those UPI bank accounts, we can change or reset it. Today's tutorial is about resetting the UPI pin, and that happens when you may have forgotten the UPI pin specific to the UPI bank account. Let's look at how we can reset it using Paytm. So we'll open up the Paytm account. Now here, like we need to tap on the profile icon. Here we need to go on money transfer settings, and you will see that it displays a list of all the linked bank accounts. We can change and select rather our linked bank account by clicking on the checkbox here. Now, once we have like selected the linked bank account, it's very much possible to kind of reset the UPI pin. Please let's understand the difference between changing the UPI pin and resetting the UPI pin. Changing the UPI pin is when you already know the pin, but you want to change the pin to a newer one because of reasons of privacy perhaps. You may have shared it unwillingly with people, so you want to change it. Resetting it more like, creating a new one because you don't recollect the old one. So how do you do that? You again actually click or rather tap on change pin. So this is account specific. So you do this for the account that you want to change the UPI pin for. And here you will see again there are options of either resetting it or changing it. That is like in case you do this, I remember my old pin, we made a tutorial for that. You are required to put in the old pin and then again put in the new pin that you want now and then confirm that. You are not at all required to put in your ATM or debit card details. But when you want to reset it, that is, you don't recollect your old UPI pin, that's when you would be needing your debit card details. So put in your debit card details here. So the last 6 digits of that, your debit card would have 16 digits. So just put in the last 6 digits, 112233. And then this would be like the expiry validity date. And once you have done that, click on proceed. So you are directed to this page wherein a one-time password will be sent to the linked Paytm number. There you go, that's self-detected. And now you can set up the UPI pin, and this is absolutely the new one that you want to set. So for me, this would be 1122. And then again, I will have to confirm this. So I click on OK. And then again, I confirm this 1122. Once confirmed, just click on this. There you go. Your UPI pin has been set successfully. And now once the UPI pin has been set, no matter where you use this UPI bank, you will be required to put in this UPI pin only. So no matter whether you use this UPI bank here in Paytm or in PhonePe or in Google Pay or in WhatsApp, in case you are using this bank account for any UPI transaction, you will be required to put in this UPI pin. So this is how you reset the UPI pin for the bank. There is one more way of creating a new UPI pin, and that is by going to your settings. Inside settings, going to your saved payment methods, and here you will see the bank accounts again reflect. Click on the bank account and you will see you will have option of creating a new UPI pin. Now anyways, we showed you how we can change UPI pins, how we can reset UPI pins. We'll obviously also see tutorials on how we can create new UPI pin using Paytm. Hopefully this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications, and I will catch you in the next one.